How to create a reminder on Google Keep Notes. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a reminder on Google Keep Notes easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Google Keep Notes. Now this is the home page, as you can see. All what you have to do to create a reminder is go to the top right here, click on those three lines, and now you will find the reminders option right here. As you can see, click on it, and now click on create option here down below, and here you go. Now from here you can change the date and everything, also the place and everything. After you finish, click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.